it's a silly idea. Like, this is just another tactic to get some money out of us, I guess.
If my wife is pregnant and we wait according to that, it's unethical, na?
Will I get charged less if I weigh less?
To me, that is the equivalent of fat tax. I mean, people who are charged extra from designers, people who are on maybe the higher side when it comes to weight, they charge extra for their clothes. So for me, that's the equivalent of fat tax for the aviation industry.
I think it's a very good idea because if you charge extra money for the baggage, you should be charging extra amount for your weight as well.
ये मुद्दा वेट का नहीं होता भैया. It's all about your height, your personality,
नहीं
everything.
नहीं 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 ये मुद्दा ना पर्सनैलिटी का है ना वेट का है. ये मुद्दा पता है क्या है? ये मुद्दा है जस्टिस का. सेकेंडरी, क्योंकि ना प्लेन हवा में उड़ता है. आप बड़ी बात समझो, ट्रेन जमीन पे चलती है, उसको वेट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. गाड़ी में वेट का कोई इतना पंगा नहीं है. प्लेन उतना ही वेट कैरी कर सकता है.
भैया एक बात बताओ, अगर वो इतना वेट अगर कैरी करता है
लिमिट है ना.
वेट की लिमिट की बात, उस हिसाब से तो ऑलरेडी लगेज ले रहे हैं.
तो मैं यही तो कह रहा हूँ.
That's not a good news and that's a really bad idea. Okay, now you can't go on person's weight or something. Obviously, we already pay for our baggages extra. Now we are not paying for our weight.
It will be very embarrassing because people around me will always look and be like, अरे ये तो underweight है यार बहुत ज़्यादा ही. तो थोड़ा embarrassing हो जाएगा.
How can they even think about it? It's a stupid idea. It's a vague idea. And how can you weigh a person, before, because as it is, you'd be paying for the tickets, we're paying for our extra luggages, and we're paying for the complete aviation services. What is this? Doesn't make sense at all.
I do not think this is a good idea.
In general, I think it's unethical.
My take is totally against it. It's unethical. The reason being is, see, in today's world, it's very difficult for a person to manage the weight with the lifestyle what they're having, the busy schedules and everything. So it's very difficult to say that you need to manage your weight for traveling. Like for example, I'm 100 and I plan suddenly to go somewhere like in India only, and I have to pay according to my weight. I have to reduce my weight, then I can go. It's unethical.
I think it's a little problematic because if you're already weighing the luggage, then I don't think there's a reason to weigh somebody else getting on the plane, right? So it's a little bit off. I don't think that's right.
I don't think that's a good thing any which ways, because I think the airplane is it can well accommodate people whichever size they are. I don't think like currently to kar hi rahe right now all size and shape people ke ja rahe and the plane is doing just fine, right?
Joke के लिए we can say, if they are maintaining the balance, like अगर साथ दोनों आइल चेयर पे सेम वेट के बैठा रखे तो बैलेंस हाँ तो फिर तब चलेगा.
नहीं हो पाएगा. नहीं हो पाएगा. कोई प्रोटेस्ट कर लेगा इसको लेके, बैन कर देंगे फ्लाइट को. I think they are bigger fish to fry. Yeah.
Obviously, it's going to be horrible. We have to think twice before traveling to there. So yeah, no, that's not a good idea.
I mean, people who don't need to pay extra might be happy, but then people who have to will absolutely not be, and that's unfair to them.
All the airlines should start doing this.
I think that would be very unpopular. I think that won't work over here.
कुणाल कामरा के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. वो ऑलरेडी उसने इतना वेट गेन कर लिया इस टाइम पे. पहले बैन था, अब उसको वेट भी चेक कराना पड़ेगा.
On the lighter note, yes, people might think of getting more fitter, but otherwise, no. How can you even discriminate people on their weight?
Healthy people, chubby people are more cuter than slimmer people. So, in my opinion, so yeah, no need for typings.
Like आपने जो लिमिट रख दी वो 100 kg रख दिया. Okay, so 100 kg में आपका वेट भी आपके बैगेज का वेट भी है. So if you are 60 kg, so you can carry 40 kg of weight. So it's good for you. So you have 80 kg, you can only carry 20 kg. So something like that.
I mean, if someone's into fitness, that's fine. But I don't think anyone has the time to actively work out just because they're going to get weight on a plane, right?
I think a lot of people will be offended, and I think they'll face some backlash in case they do it in India, especially. That's something that's problematic. No, people will not go to the gym. They just buy 2 tickets, right? Like, I think that's already an option that if you are spilling into the next seat, just buy the next seat.